There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas. What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and you already know we about to slay today. What's up, everybody? So I hope you all are having like a really great day when you're watching this video. You know what I always say, staying positive, staying motivated, staying out the way, and the most important thing, girl, learn how to mind your business, okay? Like I'll be over here minding mine, though my daughter will tell you I don't, but I'm telling you that I do. So what's up, everybody? Listen, this is second video of the day. I haven't done wig videos in like a few weeks. A girl need a break sometimes. I be just needing to take a little break, a little nappy nap, a little vacation. Plus, I had to tend to my dog, you know what I'm saying, to my fur baby. Excuse me, because we don't call her that over here. It's like me calling you a human. You already know what you are, okay? So my little baby daughter, okay, my little baby daughter, I had to make sure that she was okay and just tend to her, you know, because she wasn't feeling that well. So I had to make sure she was good. But I hope y'all are all good when you're watching this video. You know this is about to be one of my favorite wig companies. They budget friendly. They name starts with Unice Hair, and a nice girl. We gonna look nice today. So definitely check them out on Amazon Prime, where you get your shit on time, girl. So what's up? Okay. So today the pink box got me. I'm not really sure what's in here, okay? And don't even say it on the sides, but you know what I'm saying? I like a surprise. Let me tell y'all, their wigs are pre-everything. Pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-laced, pre-cut, no, we're gonna start from pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-plucked, I think I said that one, but whatever, and pre-approved. Y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? It's just pre-everything, okay? So you can take it out the box and put it on and go, if you choose to. You may wanna just change the parting, I don't know, it's your preference, but it's nothing that you really need to take all the time in the world to do. You ain't gotta bleach it, you ain't gotta pre-cut the lace off of it. All you gotta do is take it out the box like so, and you already know she good to go. She did come with a wig cap, an HD one, and a melting band as well. And I got on a wig cap already. Girl, listen, let me tell y'all something. I still have it in my Miracle Knot braids. When I tell you I braided the hell down of these braids so that way I could put on my wigs and do my wig review. So this one right here is, from the looks of it, it's curly, and it is 24 inches. It is a 7x5. Okay, it does come with some tape inside. Okay, she's pretty, she's curly, and she got a little bit of color to her. She also looked like she got some texture too. You know, not one of those real silky type of textures, but this one do have some texture. Hold up, okay? Because this one is looking really cute right now. Y'all know I love me a good wig. I always say that, like, if you want to do a wig, do a big, make sure it's all that and then some. And y'all know I love me a good wig. I say it all the time, and I mean what I say. I love me a good wig. Now, this one right here is definitely pretty. Look at that. It is kind of like, it is textured. It got those pretty little coils at the end. I love when they do that. You know what I'm saying? It's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-thinned out, okay? It comes with an elastic removable band. It also comes with a comb in the nape, some adjustable straps. Girl, listen, there aren't any combs on the side, which is great because I don't need any. It also has the silicone banding. And girl, listen, the best of the best, say less, it's the drawstring. Girl, get you a drawstring wig from Unice. When I tell you, you will definitely look cute, extra cute, okay? Really put together. I'm telling you, your wig ain't going nowhere. She is parted in the middle, so I don't really know how I feel about that. I'm gonna just see how it comes out. So on that note, let's just jump into this video. Baby, I think I can just let go. Baby, I think I can just let go.
I get it, I get it. I guess I get it now. Life is taking enough from me. Think I just need security. Yeah. So crazy how anything can happen. Hedging my bets so desperately. Building sand castles on the calm seas. Looking for a guarantee. Can't get out my own way. I'm laying it safe. I'm holding so tight and choking my grace. Leaving for mistakes. It's the illusion of control. Can't take it with you when you go. And holding on won't help it grow. Can't take it with you when you go. Might as well learn to lose control. The sun rises and it sets every day without my help. I can just rest assured. Of course, heaven knows where.
This was definitely a really easy wig. I love the fact that this is textured curls. So if you're thinking like it's silky, it definitely is not. It has body, it has volume. Girl, it definitely has these nice curls. What I did was I used my water bottle. It does have some curly hair conditioner in it. And then I just used like, you know, my normal products, out of body. It definitely will define your curls. I am definitely feeling it, okay? And look how nice the hairline looks. It is a 7x5, so you're not gonna be able to part throughout the entire unit, but you still do get a nice amount of parting in the unit. I really do like the subtle brown highlights in it. And UNICE be having some nice wigs, y'all. You know what I say? I love me a good wig, girl. I love me a good wig. If you're gonna wear a wig, do it big. I'm just saying, get you one of these UNICE kit wigs and you definitely will thank me later. I will link everything down below. 24-inch 7x5 by not pre-everything unit. And on that note, I love y'all. If y'all stayed to the end, please give me a pink heart. I love y'all. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see y'all in the next one.